Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Visa gift card on Stockx. So first you need to do is to open this website Stockx, and let's suppose I want to buy this. So you simply need to select that, and here you can see option of place bid. So let's suppose I want to buy something with the actual price because I do not want to place a bid. So go on to the shoes section. So let me show you the process, and I think I'm going to select this one or this one. Okay, so you can select the size from here, and here you can see option of place bid. Click on that, and you can add the bid. It is up to you. So now I'm going to show you how you can use gift card to buy this. So you simply need to click on here. You can see please add a payment method. Click on edit here. Here you can see credit or debit card, PayPal. So you simply need to click here and add your complete address, and once you add you simply need to click on next, and on the next page you have an option to add the Visa gift card. So I'm going to add my random name, so XYZ JQS, country I'm going to select US, address I'm going to give street XYZ, block Y, city I'm going to set Arab, for example. Let me select this one. Zip code, phone number. So skip this, go on to the next page. Here you can see an option to add the credit or debit card details. You need to add your Visa gift card here and click on submit, and you can complete that uh, shoes purchase. So this is the process how you can use Visa gift card on Stockx. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.